Chẳng tính xây xí này. Ghê gục. Sáng cái tờ bằng chùa chẳng tính như mà. Cái đá lấy ná này nè. Của chuyện chiết chế này sợ còn chuyện chiết chế. Là nên cái tờ chạy xí. Lạiនេះមានសពគ្រប់មានចាក់សាំងមានស៊ីមានបាទមានស្អីសពគ្រប់កន្លែងគេបាទធំហើយធំហើយស្អាតជាជួនគេច្រើនច្រាំមិត្តផ្សាយក៏រស់សឹងតែមាននេះបានបាសតួវា2 3ជាន់គុណនៅនោះនេះកន្លែងគេឲ្យយើងឈប់សម្រាប់បាទទៅមក Fuji ដែរប្រគុណណ៎អស់ដែរប្រគុណដែរនៅនឹងមក Fuji ហ្នឹងជិតដល់បាទល្ងាបើកថ្ងៃទៅល្ងាបាទrồi IC vậy? Mày rồi IC Tên IC vậy? Tên shop ra IC vậy? Shop cho chồng rồiនៅក្នុងប្រទេសជប៉ុនបងប្អូនមិនងាយមានមិនងាយមានគេហៅថាធុងសម្រាមទេព្រោះគេអត់ដាក់ឲ្យព្រោះជាជួនគេល្អគេទៅណាមកណាគេទៅរៀនឲ្យប្រជាជនគេចេះទទួលខុសត្រូវខ្លួនឯងស្រាមខ្លួនឯងទទួលខុសត្រូវខ្លួនឯងគេអត់ដាក់ធុងស្រាមឲ្យយើងប៉ុន្មានទេជាជនគេល្អតាណាគេកាន់ថងមួយហើយគេយកទៅចោលនៅផ្ទះអញ្ចឹងមកស្រុកគេអត់មានសម្រាមចូលប្រគុណនេះសិនណានៅប្រទេសជប៉ុនបូណាឡានេះគេហៅ KK អាផ្លាលឿននេះនឹងសបោគឺឡានអ្នកក្រឡាននេះបាទណាមកគណៈបកខ្ញុំអត់ទាន់ណាមកទេមានពួកក្មេងៗដើរធួរដែរណាច្រើនឈប់ទិញ IC
So you know, the reason for this is you know, we had the World War I and II, and Japan is a tiny island, so we don't have like natural resources like oil and all that. So in that time we cut down these mountains all over Japan to use that as a fuel, okay, and for the housing and all that. So many of the mountains were getting bold around that time, okay, and after the war ended we quickly entered what's called Japanese economic miracle. That's when the economy boosted and also the population skyrocketed. So they again we lacked a lot of resources. So more trees were cut down. So around the 50s to 60s, many of these mountains were no trees. It became a serious problem. So what the government did was they started planting cedar trees. So all you see these like pointy trees, like skinny pointy, these are all cedar trees naturally planted, okay, because they're really good resource for building houses and all that. And so the government thought, wow, the problem is solved. But then after 20, 30 years, we're facing a problem called what is hay fever. You know hay fever?
Yes.
You know, when it's like nose is running and red eyes, and it's becoming like a national disease. So every year around March, you're gonna see people starting to wear masks in Japan. So almost everyone wears masks at the time because the sky almost turns yellow because all this how do you say
Pollen.
pollen, yes, pollen on the air, and it's terrible there. I have it too, so everyone has to take drugs, and it's a problem. Yeah, but it worked when we had COVID. It worked out for us because everyone was already used to wearing masks on a regular basis. So COVID didn't become too serious compared to some